Do you want to know the secret to flawless, perfect makeup look? It all starts with the perfect skin prep. In today's video, I'll be taking you through the essential but simple steps to prepping your skin before makeup, from cleansing to hydrating to moisturizing to priming. Whether you're oily skin, whether you're dry skin, whether you're combination skin, this step works perfect for all skin types. So the first step to take before applying any makeup product on your face is to cleanse. A good cleanser preps your skin by removing excess oil and dirt. It clears away impurities that can clog your pores and cause your makeup to appear uneven and cakey. A good cleanser also helps to prevent breakout, because clean skin allows makeup to sit on the skin. So the cleaner your skin, the more your makeup is going to sit and absorb into the skin. So the next step is moisturizer. But before I moisturize, I'm going to use the Zaron Perfect Finish. This is a hydrating mist. So before I apply my moisturizer, I'm going to apply this. If you don't have a hydrating mix, you can skip this process just by applying that hydrating spray. Do you see how hydrated my skin looks? So the next step is moisturizer, and I'll be using the Moist Essence Cream Moisturizer. A good moisturizer also helps in smooth application. It creates like a smooth surface, making it easier for your foundation and every other product to blend seamlessly into the skin. Also, moisturizer helps with the longevity of your makeup. The more hydrated the skin is, the more your makeup is going to last longer. Also, moisturizer acts as a barrier protector. It acts as a barrier between your foundation and your skin, reducing irritation and protecting your skin from drying out. Guys, whether you have oily skin or you have dry skin, you still need moisturizing, because if you have oily skin and you don't apply your moisturizer and just go ahead to apply your primer, your skin is going to overcompensate by producing excess oil, because now your face is feeling tight. Always massage your product into the skin before you move on to the next step. Apply your moisturizer underneath your eyes and make sure everything is well blended before you move into the next step. Make sure it has dried, 100% dried. Apply your moisturizer everywhere on your face. Can you see how moisturized my skin is looking? Can you see? So for primer, I'll be using the e.l.f. Power Grip primer. Primer is very important. Primer smoothens out texture. Primer also enhances longevity by gripping your foundation, thereby preventing it from fading, from caking. Primer also helps to control shine. When applying your primer, avoid underneath your eyes, because the skin around under your eyes, they are very thin, so you would want to avoid them. Apply every other place, your T-zone, your forehead, your brows, every other place except underneath your eyes. Then for people with sweaty skin, you can go ahead and apply the sweat and oil barrier. This is an astringent. It is going to help with the production of sweat. So you just apply it a little bit on your mixing tray, and then you dab it and apply directly where you sweat a lot, preferably only on your forehead, just on your face. Just tap it and make sure it dries into the skin. So once you're done with your skin prep, you just go ahead to prep your lips. You can use any lip gloss, because when you're done with your entire face, when you're done with your complexion products, your foundation, your concealer, your highlighter, all those things, your lips, if you don't moisturize it on time, it's going to look cakey, all those patches. So just go ahead and moisturize your lips. You could use any lip gloss or any lip balm. So that is the end of this skin prep video. Very, very detailed, very, very short, simple and straight to the point. If you have any question, you can leave them on the comment section and I'm going to answer you whenever. Okay, please like this video, share and subscribe. Share to the glam girlies. Okay, and I will see you in my next video. Subscribe. Bye guys.